So we are going to take the boat to the other side of the river. The boat is here. We're here at the pier. Yeah. Here we go. And here's me. Sweetie, sweetie.
Yeah. He say it's too late. He said it's 1 p.m. You have to give me 50 each, because it's 1 o'clock already. He said.
Yeah. It was a normal price then.
20, 30. Yeah, 30.
20?
So 30 for one person. Yeah, for the small one. Yeah. So the big one is like 10, 20.
Yeah, I know.
No,
But
he's
100 is a lot, eh?
100 for 2 people.
You don't try to get reduction?
50 for.
อะไรนะ
80 ได้ไหมครับ
โอ้โหมีแต่ไทยครับโอ้นี่ถูก
ผมก็รู้ขายครับช่วยนิดหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
ถูกว่า
เลขตรงนี้ก็มาด้วย 80
Okay. He's going back home. Yeah. It's going to have a storm.
Yeah? Is that so? Is it? No.
He's joking, that's all.
Good job! I start again. Tell it.
Such an experience. Our early morning, nearly 2 o'clock river crossing.
Yeah, that's the time that Yiffy lives normally. Between 1 p.m. and 4 a.m. And after that, Yiffy the cat. Yiffy the Google man.